Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your EZVIZ DP1C smart door viewer. First, make sure it's powered on. In my case it is, but if it is not in your case, then you should press and hold on the power button at the top for 3 seconds. Then, when it's done, just press and hold on the home button for 5 seconds. So it's powered on, now 5 seconds. It will show you this screen. Now click on the home button to confirm, and now it will factory reset and auto restart.
Please use EZVIZ app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
And now you can set it up like that, or press the home button to skip this step. And you can also still continue to connect it with the app with the QR code that's at the back. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.